A lot of people don't truly realize this until later on in their life, right? But you're playing fair in a world that is truly unfair. Now, what do I mean by this, right? Well, the problem is this world is truly unfair, meaning not everyone plays life by the rules, okay? And in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what I mean by this, how you can actually use an unfair advantage, which every single person that is watching this video has, and how you can completely change your life as well, right? Now, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Alim, and I quit my 9-to-5 job just under 2 years ago. I was in the UK, I was working several 9-to-5 jobs. I was working in Argos, I was working in World Duty Free, and I was working at Sky. And it got to a point where I didn't want to live life by the rules, right? I didn't want to live the average life that everyone else lives. So what I did was I quit my 9-to-5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. I started from scratch, I had no money. All I had was a dream to completely change my life, right? And I was able to do that. Now I run a 6-figure online coaching business. Now I live in Dubai and my life has completely changed. I'm able to make good money, I have freedom, and I live in the greatest city in the world, right? Now, the only reason I was able to do that, guys, is because I used an unfair advantage. Now, I will explain my unfair advantage later on in the video. But let's talk about you guys first, right? A lot of you guys have unfair advantages that you guys can literally use to change the reality of your life. And you might not see it now, you might not understand it now, but hopefully by the end of the video, it makes it very crystal clear what I'm talking about, okay? Now, firstly, look at most people, right? Most people play life by the rules, right? They go to school, they go to university, then they get a 9-to-5 job, they buy a house on a mortgage. That's the average person's life, right? Now, if you look at most average people's lives, it's extremely depressing, it's extremely sad, because most of these people, right, they work 40 hours a week for someone else, they come home, they have no money, they're drowned in debt, or they have lots and lots of bills that they have to pay, which means that they can't literally change their life, they can't make more money, they can't be in a position where they're comfortable, because there's always another bill coming around, that mortgage payment every single month comes around. So your life is becoming extremely, extremely difficult, right? And if you truly understand the laws of the game, right? The laws of the game says you should go to school, you should go to university, you should get a job, and you should buy a house and a mortgage, right? Now, let's truly analyze this. School teaches you obedience. School teaches you not to think outside the box. In exams, you have to write what the actual answer is, not what your perception of the answer is. You can't daydream, you can't be creative, right? Then you get to university, you pay 9 grand a year to someone else, living a life that you don't want to live, but you're learning from him. Then what happens is that you come out of university in debt, right? Now looking for a job. Now the problem, especially nowadays, is that most people can't even find a job, right? Because you leave university, you're trying to find a job, you think you've got a degree, you think you're special, but the reality is everyone else has got a degree as well. So now you're in a job market competing against everyone else. And guys, let me truly make you understand this, right? A degree, a grade, all of that is just how a matrix looks at you as a person and thinks how valuable you are, how obedient you are to the job market. So it doesn't mean that you're clever. It doesn't mean that you're smart. It doesn't mean that, you know, you are exceptional. All it essentially means is that you are very good at memorizing things. And secondly, all it means is that you have a high grade as in terms of the obedience, in terms of someone that would be a great employee, right? And that's what a job market looks at. And obviously now with competition going up, not many people can even find a job, right? But let's say you find a job, let's say you work 40 hours a week for someone else. Are you guys truly happy working 40 hours a week for someone else? There are people who don't play the game of life by the rules, right? Driving in Lamborghinis, living life, flying in private jets, right? Just living life to the fullest. And these guys didn't play life by its rules. These guys lived life on their own terms. And this is my point. You guys are trying to play fair in a world that's completely unfair. You've got to be ruthless. You've got to go after what it is that you want. And for a lot of you guys, without even realizing, right, you're doing exactly what the system wants you to do. The system wants you to be depressed. The system wants you to be miserable. The system wants you to fear escaping. Because guys, you have to understand one thing. If the system was designed for you guys to escape and not be in the system itself, it wouldn't make you feel like you're feeling right now. The fact that you're even scared to start a business, the fact that you're even scared to invest in yourself, that shows that you've been brainwashed to think like that. And my fight is with the elites, my fight is with these people right at the top, right? Because what their plan is to keep you guys working in the system, have no way out, so you can't make money for yourself and live a life of freedom. The reason being is because if you are able to escape the system, then that means you are less likely to be controlled, which means that you can do whatever it is that you want to do. And if tomorrow they want to control you, they can't, because you make money for yourself, right? But at the moment, you've got to do what your boss says. You've got to do what your job says. If you have any views or something that, you know, these people don't agree with, well, you'll get sacked on the spot, right? And I've seen this myself with people. So my point is that what they do is make you dependent on an income for a job, so that you can't escape. So you have to do what they tell you to do, right? And think about it, in your 9-to-5 job, you can't even say no to certain things, because if you do, you might get a warning, or they could even fire you, right? Now, you guys need to understand one thing: life is not fair. You need to play the game of life by using the unfair advantages that you have in your life. Now, this is what I teach people, by the way. I have my own online coaching business where I work with people and help them find a skill which they can sell their skills to high ticket clients, right? It's called the One Skill Consulting business model. Completely changed my life, completely changed a lot of my clients' lives as well. Now, if you guys are interested in starting an online business that can completely change your life, allow you to make 10K a month plus, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, what do I mean by having an unfair advantage, right? Well, let me explain. A lot of you guys might be good at speaking, right? Now, I know a lot of people that are very good at speaking. But what do? They don't use that advantage. They are either working a job or they're not really using that skill, right? Or some people naturally just look very lean, or some people naturally look very muscular. Again, that's an unfair advantage that you've got. Some people are naturally good at, let's say, using a computer compared to other people, right? They're a little bit more skillful. They know how to do certain things. Guys, whatever it is that you're skilled at, you can sell that skill and make thousands, if not even millions, right? And I genuinely mean this, because I've done it myself, guys. I've sold my skill, I've made tons of money, and I've completely changed my life, right? It's proof, because I live here in Dubai. I used to work a 9-to-5 job before, and life is completely different. And these are the things they don't teach you in school, because school doesn't want you to escape the system. School teaches you things to keep you in the system, right? That's all it is. So you guys have to find your unfair advantage in life. What are you good at? What can you actually use to escape your situation? What can you actually use to escape the position that you're in currently? Because the world isn't fair. Guys, the world isn't fair. Look at even the elites, right? A lot of these people, right at the top, they use their family name, they use their family fortune, you know, they use their own unfair advantage in life. And that's how they're able to constantly make more money, or constantly have power, or, you know, constantly do whatever it is that they want to do. The point is, people are using unfair advantages in the world, and the normal average man in life is playing the game by its rules, thinking, I need to pay tax, thinking, you know what, if I just go to university and get a good degree and get a nice job, you know, life will be good. You guys don't realize you're being brainwashed into doing these things. And if you guys continue at this rate, what's going to happen is you're going to be miserable for your whole life. And guys, life is short, right? Life can go in an instant. But my point is, do you not want to live a life worth living? Do you not want to live a life where you can fly tomorrow on vacation if you want to? Do you not want to live a life where you can wake up at whatever time you want to do? Do you not want to live a life where you can afford to do whatever it is that you want to do? You want to buy something for your family, you want to buy something for your wife, you want to buy something for your parents, you want to buy something for your kids. Whatever it is that you want to do, you should be able to do that, right? And why can thousands of other people that are making money for themselves online are able to do that, but you, working a 9-to-5 job, paying tax, playing the game by its rules, not able to do that, right? So it is very, very simple when you understand that life isn't fair. But the people that actually get ahead understand this, and they say, you know what, the world isn't fair, but I'm going to use some of my unfair advantages and use that and make money and change my life so I can live a comfortable life, right? So a lot of you guys need to understand that you have unfair advantages. You have a skill that you can offer in the market and make a lot of money from. And again, if you guys do need any help with that, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you start this online business so you can start making 10K a month. Now guys, my unfair advantage in life is that I am now very good in front of a camera, right? Now, this wasn't always the case. I was quite terrible in front of a camera. In fact, when I first filmed my YouTube video, I wasn't that great. But over time, I kind of improved the skill and I practiced it and I got better. Now my content is a lot better. Now I can speak freely, I can speak clearly, and things are different. But even with the technology, right? I was always someone that loved technology. I was always good in the computers. I knew how to do certain things, right? So that was also my unfair advantage. I knew how to kind of make marketing campaigns. I knew how to put myself out there. I knew how to create content, all of that kind of stuff, right? I'm using my unfair advantages currently in my life, which is allowing me to make well over 6 figures a year. And I'm living here in Dubai, right? Where most people would love to live. Most people come here on vacation, right? So essentially I'm living in a place people come to vacation to, you know? So it's crazy because I am doing what most people can't do. But the reason why most people can't do it is because they don't firstly truly believe in themselves, and two, the system has convinced them to stay where they are. I have a lot of sales calls, right? And I speak to a lot of people, and when it comes to investing in yourself, or when it comes to actually making the decision to change your life, I have this a lot, and so do other people, right? A lot of people say, you know what, I want to think about it. I want to think about it. And I always say to them, okay, cool, no problem. I understand that you want to think about it. But what's thinking about it going to do? Let's truly analyze this. What's thinking about it going to do to your life? Nothing. All it's going to do is delay it, right? Because all you're seeking is comfort. You're thinking to yourself, right? I just want to be comfortable. So let me think about it. And then eventually I'm going to decide not to do it. Because your brain's going to convince you. Because you have been brainwashed in school to think in a certain way. So you're not going to try and escape your comfort zone, right? And I'm telling you guys, outside of this comfort zone that you guys are so happy to be in, is this. Do you know what I'm trying to say? You could be living in Dubai. You could be having freedom. You could be in a position where you make money online, be able to do whatever it is that you want to do. But for whatever reason, you guys just are happy to be comfortable. And again, it's your fault, but at the same time, you've been convinced to do that. So why do you not fight against this? Why do you not fight against the world in that sense? Because if you think the world is fair, well, keep living the life you're living right now. And trust me, you're going to realize later on in life, the world is unfair. And these people that understand that the world's unfair, but carry on living their life like this, these are the people that baffle me, right? Because you know the world's unfair. You know you've got unfair advantages, yet you want to play the game by its rules? Come on, guys. In life, you've got to be ruthless, right? You've got to go after what it is that you want. And that's what I did. Guys, I had no money when I landed in Dubai. I said to myself, I'm going to find a way to change my life. I'm going to move to Dubai. And I said, I'm going to find a way. Because I've always wanted to live in Dubai. I always wanted to make money online, quit my job, pack my bags, move to Dubai. The money I did have, I hired a mentor. I put myself in the best position possible so I could understand how to make money in the game of life. And it completely changed my life, right? Now I live in Dubai. I have freedom. I get to wake up when I want. I get to do what I want. Life is good. I haven't even set an alarm for such a long time, right? This is how your life can be. This is how your life can be when you actually genuinely take action and say, you know what, I want to genuinely change my life. So if you guys are interested, right, to start an online business by selling your unfair advantages in life, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how you can start an online business that can generate you well over 10K a month. Alternatively, guys, if you do want more information on how this business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.